Here's everything you need to know about this Sling Pickleball backpack. So, first of all, and most importantly, are the paddles. It's got a great spot for the paddles. I've got two in there right now. It looks like you could probably get a third in there if you needed to carry three paddles. Now, the second pocket is a nice big pocket. It's a good spot for putting some balls in there. Tomorrow night's going to be a little chilly, so I'll probably put a sweatshirt in there just in case I need it. And then on the front, you've got two pockets. One up high. This is great for keys and the phone. And then down below, you could put snacks or whatever you want in here. That's where I like to put the eraser to clean my paddle. And of course, this is very important, you've got the water bottle holder. Tomorrow night is league play, so I'm sure I'll be sweating up a storm and I'll be all set. This is a big water bottle and it fits nicely in here. Now on the back side, you can see that you can put the sling to one side or the other, just depending on your preference of how you want to carry it. And of course, you need your clip so that you can clip it to the fence and it's not on the ground. Very good Sling backpack for pickleball. I recommend it.